This tutorial is going to provide you with a basic introduction to how the merge sort algorithm works. For this particular example, we're going to be using 8 integer values to try to merge into an ordered list. We're going to place each of the integer values into their own separate one element array, and then we're going to merge in those elements into a much bigger 8 elements array by the end of this video tutorial. The first thing that we need to do is compare each of the individual arrays and create a 2 element array by comparing the first element with the second element and ordering it by size. So as 3 is less than 6, that goes first and is followed by the value 6. The algorithm will then compare 2 and 1, and since 1 is smaller than 2, that would go into the 2 element array first, followed by the value 2. The algorithm will do exactly the same thing by comparing the value 5 and 8, and since 5 is less than 8, that would go first. Then finally 7 and 4 are compared, and because 4 is smaller than 7, that goes into the 2 element array first. We then create a 4 element array by joining two element arrays together, and we're using basically the same algorithm, the same logic. So since 1 is less than 3, that goes first, and since 2 is less than 3, that goes into the second position, and 3 is less than 6, and then finally 6 is remaining. We do the same thing for the second part. So 4 is less than 5, and then 5 is less than 7, 7 is less than 8. Finally, we create a 8 element array by doing exactly the same thing again. So we start off with the value 1, and then we compare it to the second elements array. So 1 is less than 4, so then we move on to number 2. 2 is also less than 4, 3 is also less than 4, 6 is not less than 4, so 4 moves into the 8 elements array. 6 is not less than 5, so 5 goes next, followed by 6, and 7, and then 8. That's pretty much all what you need to know for the merge sort algorithm.